covering Hexagon, and we're today with...
Yeah, hello, my name is Jan Klingen. I'm Vice President EMEA North for Hexagon Manufacturing Intelligence and responsible for the region in Benelux, UK and Ireland and the Nordics.
Lovely. So how important is this event today for you?
This is really an amazing event. It is very important because we are bringing here people in the manufacturing domain together to inspire them on how they can grow their business by increasing productivity in the manufacturing domain, so ensuring that they are competitive and can grow their businesses.
Super. You talked briefly about getting the young generation back with the retired. Curious to know a bit more about that, how you envision that, and also how this is going to take place here.
Yeah, that's actually one of the key things. Also, we are as Hexagon in the Netherlands. We are based here in this Brainport Industries campus. So this is 100,000 square meter campus, all about smart manufacturing, consisting of real manufacturing, education, and innovation. And on the educational part, there are universities and vocational schools here, so that they are bringing in the new talents. But the industry itself has also massively skilled people, which have a lot of knowledge. And we are providing technologies as Hexagon to capture that knowledge of these experienced people and to bring them also in an easy way to the talents that they can absorb it, so that we can ensure business continuity.
Nice. And what type of, you said you looking for schools, to universities, to hire talent, to get talent. How are you going to attract this new talent to come here? What do you think is going to excite them to come to this space?
Yeah, I think this space, if you like technology, and one of our we are innovation partner of Oracle Red Bull Racing, which is in the pinnacle of engineering, Formula One. But Hexagon is in many other ways, and also the high-tech manufacturing over here. That, yeah, if you are fascinated by it, we are bringing these technology pieces, and we need really the people to connect that into new developments together, and that's really empowering people. What we are providing, so that would really be, yeah. If you like this, then this is really a fantastic place to work and to start and grow your career.
Nice. And I'm assuming also it's for the clients in the region, so Benelux, Nordics. They can come here, see the latest advancement, showcasing the latest tech of Hexagon. This is also part of the plan, right?
Yeah, exactly. We are opening today our new experience center. There the people can have an immersive experience of all our technology. So, because this campus is really a hangout of engineers, so we aim also with this experience center that they can, look and feel the technology, then share their thoughts about it and create innovations. But as well, also for management, we can inspire them as well, and even leadership of companies. How can you grow your business in a profitable way, but also how to ensure business continuity? So that's what we are showcasing here.
Nice. Yeah, I'm curious because here in Eindhoven, for example, you have the TUE, the Funties. If I'm a student watching this right now, what should be the first step to do to come here? Or I'm just generally curious about the latest tech. What would be the first step to do?
Yeah, the first step to do is to come over here. This experience center, what we have opened, that is their full year, so it is permanent. And actually, you can explore the technology. Just contact us, and we ensure that that you get a tour and that you can experience it yourself.
Nice. Maybe also related to something else where you work with Red Bull, and you said you're leveraging also what you're learning in the automotive innovation at Red Bull. How do you see this being applied in the automotive industry in the Benelux and the Nordic countries? How do you leverage that know-how you gain with this partnership?
Yeah, I think that the knowledge we gain even beyond automotive, I think it can go to many industries, because what we are doing with Red Bull is to ensure that their cars are of the absolute quality, and these processes, these learnings from there, they are innovating in that environment of Formula One. But we can bring also these innovations, these learnings, we can bring also to the different industries as well.
Super. Last question: what is a must-watch here?
The must watch. I think there are many, but I think the Power Plan AI. I think that is we recently we launched it last week. That is really bridging. You mentioned about the I would say the master student. That is really a tool where you can bridge. Where that is a tool that can bridge that gap. So I would for sure recommend watching that.
Super. We'll definitely be covering that. Well, thank you very much for taking the time. We have some other plannings coming up, like the Red Bull car, where we're going to talk with the team, covering the latest advancement, how they collaborate with Hexagon. Thanks again for taking the time. And looking forward to the rest of the day.
Yeah, enjoy.
Thanks.
Get inspired.
Cool.